Hey friends, we're coming to you from Tolo in Greece, this beautiful little seaside beach resort town that we just completed our 2019 Greece Hemmings Brothers, Kefi Travel, photo and video workshop tour.
We had such an awesome time. So many people got a lot of value out of learning photography and video. We tried so hard to provide a really good experience that we thought, well, let's do it again for the third time. So this time we're going to go to Crete. And John from Kefi, I'd like to just tell us about Crete in 2020 for our next photo and video workshop.
Well, I think as you said, it was great to have the group doing both photography and video. And Crete has a different culture from the rest of Greece because it's a large island south of here. So they're going to get to experience the wonderful food and wine and history of Greece at the same time as something slightly different. So it'll allow them to try some different things, you to show them some different techniques and that, and at the same time have an incredible time on a beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea.
And what's making me excited is this is my first time joining my brother Mark on one of these workshops, but it is not the first time that we have put on filmpreneur courses. So this was a combined course where Mark taught everybody about photo and video and the technology behind it. And I took my group and we really worked on storytelling and making films. And on this trip we made 2 films, and it was absolutely one of the funnest things that you could do. Come here, make a film, and we're going to do the same thing in Crete. When you come, we're going to talk as a group, and we're going to figure out what is the story that we're going to tell while we're at Crete. And within a day, we're going to shoot a film and take 2 or 3 days to get it edited, and all at the same time learn more about photo and video and continue to eat and swim and do everything else that we do on these trips.
So one of the largest ironies of photo workshops is a lot of people say, well, I'm not at the level to even join a workshop. And that is a complete falsity. I love helping people along with their photography at any level. Please, if you have not even taken a picture before, this is for you. It's designed for any level, even professionals. So do you agree with that, Greg? It's like, this is for everybody.
This is for everybody.
It's valuable for every person who wants to just get better at taking pictures, better at creating videos, and especially eating wonderful food and enjoying the beautiful sun of Greece.
So for more information, click on the button below, and I hope to see you sign up, and we'll see you in Crete.